Hi guys, so I thought I would try this on my own and give you an example of a question from O.17 on your IXL. This one states that if line KM and line NP are parallel lines, that's these two lines straight up and down there, and the measure of angle POQ is equal to 130. So here is POQ. So this angle is equal to 130 degrees. They want us to find what is the measure of angle POL. So here is POL. So that's the one that's adjacent to it right here next door. So we don't know what this is, so I'm going to call it X for right now. As you can see that these two angles put together make this straight line right here. So this straight line right there is formed by the two angles that in this question, and those two angles make a straight line. That means it is 180 degrees. So if I take 130 degrees and I add X to it, I will get 180. So this looks like an upside down T problem, and that's a positive 130. So I'm going to subtract 130 from both sides. So over here I have X, and over here 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. So their question here, what is the measure of angle POL? That is 50 degrees.